Consumers are being told to expect a reduction in the price of bananas and plantains in the next 4 to 8 weeks. Bananas and plantains are being sold for between $800 and $1,000 per hand and per finger, respectively, in some places. The CEO of RADA says the crops are coming back, including in some of the parishes hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa. Now, these farms will help stabilize the supply and help bring prices down.
I expect by June, July, we're going to see bananas back on stream. Banana is a, say, 9 months crop, and it means that if we have faced a category 5 hurricane. And of course, we all know that banana is not a very strong plant. It's not a mango or, any one of those hardwood tree. And if we saw that how hardwood trees were blown down, we would expect the massive devastation that took place with bananas in St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, and also some part of St. Mary, St. Thomas. Now, we have done our research and we have visited with farmers in all the areas. And we are seeing where banana is coming back.